Want to unlock the power of AI and start making money from anywhere? With ChatGPT, it's easier than ever to create a side hustle or even a full-time income. Here's how you can use ChatGPT to boost your earnings. Step 1. Freelance writing. Are you a writer? Use ChatGPT to create blog posts, product descriptions, or marketing content in minutes. Platforms like Upwork and Freelancer are full of businesses looking for writers. Use ChatGPT to draft faster, then personalize the content for your clients. It's a game changer. Step 2. Content creation. Create scripts for YouTube, podcasts, or even TikTok videos. With ChatGPT, you can generate ideas, write scripts, and even come up with catchy headlines. Offer this as a service on Fiverr and help creators pump out consistent, high-quality content. Step 3. Online tutoring assistance. Turn knowledge into cash by tutoring online. ChatGPT can help you generate lessons, quizzes, or even answer tricky questions in subjects like math or history. Platforms like Chegg or Wizant allow you to offer personalized tutoring with AI-powered support. Step 4. Virtual assistant services. Become a virtual assistant with AI. ChatGPT can help you handle client emails, manage social media posts, or even organize schedules. Use it to streamline your workflow and offer these services to small businesses on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. The AI revolution is here, and with ChatGPT, the opportunities are endless. Whether you're writing, creating content, or offering virtual services, you can start earning today. Don't wait. Jump into the AI-driven economy now and create your own success.